everyone, and welcome to another interesting psychology course in human sexuality. I am so very happy that you will be joining me this semester for such an interesting yet very controversial topic: sex for sale. The exchange of sexual gratification for money is a prominent feature in many contemporary societies. The porn industry alone involves at least 13 billion plus a year in economic activity in the United States and much more worldwide. Over the next several weeks, my lectures will focus on two major sections: prostitution and pornography. Both involve complex legal issues and public controversy, but also attract a steady stream of eager customers. This course was not designed to judge anyone in the industry, but rather for students to learn all about the psychological factors related to the topic, sex for sale. So what about you? What are you curious about? Some people are curious in knowing more, such as, why do some people pay for sex? Or what effects does viewing erotica, pornography have on sexual behavior? And what type of individuals and for what reason do they go into the career of sex for sale? So what are you curious about? Well, some of my lectures in this series are going to take a serious note, such as venues for sex work, the role of third parties, what exactly are the various types of prostitutes? Oh my, there are different types? Yes, there is. The career of the sex worker, the sex worker's well-being, the role of early abuse, customers, who are they? What about male sex workers or sex tourism? Seriously? Is there such a thing? Like taking a vacation? You'll see. What about the porn industry itself? Who are the producers and the customers? The effects of exposure to porn, and what about in relationships and other issues relating to pornography? We will attempt to answer all of these questions. Again, I am very happy that you will be joining me this semester. Make sure to contact me should you have any questions, issues, or concerns.